Let's talk hair care. So I have been dyeing this mup of mine for about 3 years to blonde-ish. It's like not blonde right now. My natural color is seeping on in here. And before I go back to the dark side, which I am planning on doing in the next 2 weeks, I thought I would talk about the things that I do or products that I use to keep my hair healthy and strong. If you dye your hair blonde, are blonde, do highlights, etc., you know how dry and brittle your hair can get. I recently really figured it out, but now my hair just like really doesn't go blonde anymore. Like you can just see I have the craziest red undertones in my hair. So you can like, all of this was like really blonde a month ago. And then within like 2 days, it just goes orange. So we're going to talk purple shampoos. We're going to talk actual just shampoo and conditioner that basically has changed my life and I will continue to use when I get my natural hair color back / just natural hair back. That will take a while, but that is the plan, to go back to the dark side, and I'm really excited about it. To be honest, I've been dyeing my hair now for like, I think it's been like 3 years, 3 or 4 almost. And I've just like, I haven't really felt myself. When I think of myself and I'm not looking at myself, I just see my dark hair. I'll pop in some pictures here. I don't think of myself as having light hair, and then like I'll look down and be like, oh yeah, right. Or like I'll look in a window or a mirror and just kind of like forget that this is what my hair color is. So yeah, I feel like I've had this like weird identity crisis, like wondering who I am, and I just miss my dark hair. It just like makes me feel me, and I'm just so over trying to dye this freaking head of mine that just likes to turn orange and red. So before I go back, let's chat products. So let's talk shampoo and conditioner. I recently, maybe, when did my friend get these for me? Okay, so like 5-ish, 6-ish months I've been using Olaplex. And this shampoo and conditioner is the shit. Like, if you have dry, brittle, blonde, dry hair in general, it's for all hair types, but it's just super, super hydrating. It honestly has just changed the texture of my hair. It feels really soft, even though I can tell that it's like dry. It just feels a lot better. It feels stronger. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break off if like, you know, Rapunzel. Say I had to like throw my hair out of the window to save somebody, I might actually be able to do that now that I'm using Olaplex. I have used a bunch of products in the past. Another duo that I really, really liked was the L'Oreal Professionals, the Hydrate line. I'll pop a little photo up here. And that's the purple bottle. And that is so good too. Super hydrating. The only thing is I have quite fine, thin hair, so I really, really, really have to like get the shampoo out or my hair just like will literally do this and it'll be dirty in the next day. So if you're finding that you're using like professional shampoos or like more expensive products and you're finding that your hair just feels a little bit heavier, just because that's something that I dealt with, my hairstylist / best friend told me to just really wash my hair, like really scrub the product out, because that's probably what it is. It's probably just sitting in your hair and you're not getting all of that shampoo out, even though the water is running clear. Just give it a really good scrub and it'll all come out. Definitely spending the money on this product is so flipping worth it. This is gonna last me like forever. I squeezed a bunch into a travel bottle recently, so it kind of looks a little bit more empty, so I'm using that right now. But you fully just need like an actual dime size amount. You know when you go to like the hairstylist and they try to like sell you shampoo, etc., etc., a lot of them I don't find lather up the same, where Olaplex is like a nickel to a dime size and like put that in, and it lathers and gets all of my hair. And my hair is quite long. It is thinner, so like if you have thicker hair, you'll probably need a little bit more, but Olaplex is one of those products that's going to stretch for your dollar, so you are spending a lot of money. I actually don't know what they retail for, but I will link them down below. But it's totally worth it because it's going to stretch. Like, you're going to I'll probably almost use this for a year. That's why it says 12 months. Always look at your expiry dates.
Oh, it's like super old guy.
My boyfriend just came home with pizza.
Oh, I bet.
Quick break. Okay, I was distracted by pizza, so I don't really remember what I was talking about, but last little note on these bad boys, and also the L'Oreal Professionals shampoo, that they're vegan and cruelty-free, which is a win all around. Great. Good. Awesome. Okay. Another showery kind of product. This is a purple shampoo. This is by Clairol, the Shimmer Lights shampoo for blonde and silver. So if you have gray hair or you're dyeing your hair gray, like kind of, say you're like in between, you're like starting to go gray, and you're like dyeing your hair gray, this will help you get there. And if you are blonde, I've really like squished the bottle. If you're blonde, this really helps get that like orangey brassiness out of your hair. If you are dyeing your hair blonde and you're not using a purple shampoo, then you're doing it wrong. You're not doing yourself justice. You are probably gonna have to go to the salon more often than not. This helps keep your color lasting longer. And it just kind of like refreshes it. Whenever I use this, people are like, oh, did you dye your hair? No, it's just orange every other freaking day. I like to use this probably once or twice a week. I would probably use it every day if I could, but it does dry your hair out a lot. But my hair goes, again, really brassy really quickly. So I try to use this at least once or twice a week, and I like hold this in my hair for like almost 5 minutes. But I've heard if you have like really light blonde hair, it could dye your hair purple, so just be careful. Just like play with the timing a little bit. But for me, I can leave it in for a long time because apparently I want to be a redhead. Yeah, I would leave this in for an entire day if I could, if it would turn me blonde. Yeah, so this one, and then there's another brand, I can't remember right now, but I'll pop a photo. And that one's even stronger. Like, I don't put that in my hair for too long because that will actually dye my hair purple. But yeah, I would probably put that in for like a minute or two. Generally, I just like listen to music in the shower, and like by the time I get through a song or two, then I like know to rinse it out. That's kind of how I do it. Also to mention, I put conditioner in my ends every single day, like no matter what. I put a little bit just like before I was blonde, and now obviously I have to, but that's like a trick that I do and a tip that I would offer you, is to like put conditioner in your hair every single day. You don't have to put it in the top. Also, that's a myth. You can totally put conditioner in the top of your head, just like rinse it out really good, like on your first wash. But every single day I put conditioner in my ends just to help get a brush through it, as well as make my hair stronger so it doesn't break as often. And then one of the last kind of like hair products that I use is a hair mask. This one is by Wella, and it's just like, you can put it in the shower 5 or 10 minutes and then rinse it out. It says to do once a week. I kind of forget this step a lot. I know a lot of people are like super religious and use hair masks a lot, but I don't. I just do it when I remember, or when my hair's feeling really dull, then I'll do one. And I really like this one. My hairstylist friend gave this to me as well, and she just said to use it. It's kind of gross because my old shower thingy caddy had rust on it, so cute. We have a new one now. Yeah, this is actually travel size too, so this is perfect if you travel a lot and your hair you find gets dry, because that can happen, just like your skin. post-shower products. One that I really like is the Kevin Murphy Untangled. This is just a leave-in conditioner. Smells great. Works. A little bit pricey, but it does work. Kevin Murphy products are really good. He's a hairstylist, so he knows what he's doing. I can't vouch for these to be... Oh, they are cruelty-free. There's a little bunny rabbit. But always do your research. I mean, you never know. Things could say that, and then they're not. But I imagine they are. But yeah, this is a good one. And then the one that I swear by, and I use every single flipping day, is the Revlon Coconut All-in-One Hair Treatment. It smells like vacation. Has like a billion good things for you. A billion as in 10 real benefits, not benefits. This is probably why my hair is so shiny most of the time. Always. Oh wow, I can't talk now that I've had pizza. The Olaplex also makes my hair like crazy shiny, but this definitely helps. It also smells delicious. It's not really thick or heavy. Like I mentioned, I have really thin hair, so it doesn't like weigh my hair down too much. I just usually spritz it into the ends. Sometimes in the top if I've just washed my hair. This just keeps my hair like super healthy, really strong, and looking fresh. Also protects you from the sun, which is great, especially if you're dyeing your hair freaking blonde. And then a styling product that I've talked about a bajillion and one times is the John Frieda Sea Wave Salt Spray. Clearly haven't used this in a minute. I haven't done waves in a while. This I normally use more so in the summer just because I like generally don't blow dry my hair in the summer unless I like need to style it, but every single day I basically air dry it and then I'll spritz it with this when it's wet and kind of like toss it a little bit, and it helps it wave a little bit more than normal. Or if I'm doing curls, like loose curls, I'll use this after, and it kind of just gives it that like beachy texture and helps your waves stay in place. And it also smells like a coconut vacation, so I'm all about that coconut hair stuff. Okay, last product is by Wella as well. It's a shimmer spray, so I mean you can get these from any brand, but if your hair is feeling slightly dull, you should not have left it. You can just kind of spritz a little bit in there. It's like a hair oil. So either a hair oil or like some sort of shine spray. Just helps your hair look a little bit more alive. Say you have dull hair. I generally have pretty shiny hair. I know that sounds bratty, but like, I don't know. Good hair genes, I guess. I'm also going to do a blog post so you can read that. It'll be linked down below and you can see lots more products or links to things that are similar to what I use. This is gross, but this is my brush. This is the last tip, kind of trick thing that I have, is to use a wide paddle brush. It helps with breakage. You also brush your hair way faster. But it just truly has helped my hair stay healthy and not break as much. So, I mean, again, if you've dyed your hair blonde or have highlights or whatnot, have used bleach. If I'm like fresh out of the salon, then like my hair is for sure so dry and it gets so knotty so quickly. So this has truly saved my life. You can buy paddle brushes anywhere. But I really suggest getting one if you don't want to break your hair as much. Super helpful. Or like that detangler brush. It's like a hand brush. That one's pretty good too, but I find it kind of hurts my head a little bit. It's a little bit like sharp. Yeah, so those two brushes, I will also link them down below. All the products will be linked below or linked below in the blog post that you can follow to, where they will all be linked and shoppable. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, especially if you have blonde hair. I know it can be really difficult to find products that work for you and your hair. It's very specific to your own head. I've gone through a lot of shampoos and conditioners over the years, but I think Olaplex is where it's at. It's definitely worth the price. I know it's a little bit pricier, but it's definitely worth it. Totally swear by it. It has changed my hair strength big time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like the video if you liked it, subscribe down below, and leave me a comment if you have any other sort of like hair products that you love or any more tips for people that are blonde to help them out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.